Hello, Wilson. How are you doing?
Hello, Eddie. I have reset the RGB kit well. Now I'm reading the installation manual to explore all the functions of RGB light.
Haha, I know you will like it. Show me your work.
First, I have reset all the single colors now. All colors are okay. And I press the mode to choose different modes. Also, I can control the speed. And press these two thumbs to control the brightness.
Good. And I will show you the autoplay modes. Short press this button to be in autoplay mode. It will autoplay all the 358 modes. And during the autoplay, press set button once and press lock once. Then you can lock the mode you want.
Great! I can do it all day.
Light up your workshop. Find some star.